uh, let us continue the digestive system of human being. Okay, already we studied about the stomach. uh, when the food is digested in the stomach, then it is enter into the small intestine through the sphincter muscle. At the corner of the stomach there is a sphincter muscle. It helps for the small amount of food it has to enter into the small intestine from stomach. Okay, it is the longest part of the alimentary canal. The small intestine is the longest part of the alimentary canal, which is fitted into the compact space. Okay, you saw, I think, herbivorous animals like cow. When it is daily, these cow, it will eat grass. Herbivorous means plant eating animal. What it will do first, it will take up the food in the stomach. Then it will sit in ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಅದು ನಾಲ್ಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ತಂದು ಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ಹರ್ಬಿವರಸ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ನೀಡ್ ಎ ಲಾಂಗರ್ small intestine to allow the cellulose to be digested. It require more time to digest. And meat is the easiest easier to digest. Hence carnivores like tiger have a shorter small intestine, but cow is having, herbivorous animals having long small intestine. The small intestine is the site of the complete digestion of the carbohydrate, protein and fat. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲಿವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಕ್ರಿಯಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಲಿವರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಕ್ರಿಯಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸು ವೆನ್ ದಟ್ food is coming from the stomach, these digestive enzyme is mixed with the food particle from the liver as well as pancreas. Then it enter into the small intestine. The food coming from the stomach is acidic, already you know, because HCl is present in the stomach, and it has to be made alkaline to pancreatic enzyme. When the food is coming out of the stomach, it is acidic, then it combines with the pancreatic enzyme, there is a alkaline is formed. And bile juice containing bile pigment from the liver accomplish this addition acting as a fat. Bile juice ಅಲ್ಲಿ bile pigments ಇರುತ್ತೆ. These are helpful for the digestion of the fat. uh, the fat are present in the intestine in the form of large globules, which makes it very difficult enzyme to act on them. Bile juice, it secretes the bile salt. There are two types of bile salt. One is biliverdin and bilirubin. These are fat digesting enzymes. Fat is a large globule. It makes into small pieces with the help of bile salts, bilirubin and biliverdin. These helpful for the breaking of the large molecule of fat into smaller molecule. Smaller globules increase the efficiency of enzyme action. Okay, uh, here bile salts break them down into small globules by increasing the efficiency of enzyme with the help of emulsifying action of soap. Already you know, emulsifying means if you mix water and soap, there is a bubbles are formed, the foam is formed. Okay, you take water, in that you add one drop of oil, you mix it well, number of droplets of oil is formed in the water, that is known as emulsification. Okay, here the pancreas secrete the pancreatic juice which contain enzyme trypsin. Okay, trypsin, it help for the digestion of the protein. Lipase is a help for the digestion of the fat. These walls of the small intestine contain glands which secrete the intestinal juice. Okay, the walls of the small intestine containing glands, the intestinal gland or intestinal juice. These enzymes present it finally convert the protein into amino acid, the complex carbohydrate into glucose, fat into fatty acid and glycerol. See what happens in the small intestine means the carbohydrate is digested, protein is digested, and lipid is digested. Carbohydrates is hydrolyzed by small intestinal juice, okay, amylase. It converted into small carbohydrate units, and already pancreas secretes the trypsin enzymes, protein enzymes, that is trypsin. This trypsin, combines with the food particle in enter into the small intestine. It hydrolyzes the protein into small amino acid units. And lipase is helpful for the breaking of the food particle, fats. Okay, these are the helpful for the undergoing hydrolysis of fat. Means in small intestine there is a hydrolysis of fat, lipid, and glucose carbohydrate is converted into smaller unit.